If you are someone who loves taking photos but sometimes end up with blurry ones, then this video is for you. I tested all these 6 AI tools and would like to share them with you to help unblur faces in your photos. There is no need of any Photoshop skills. You can simply use the AI tools to improve photo quality with simple clicks. All the links are put on the description. If this video helps, please give a like and subscribe our channel. So, let's get started. The first tool is GFPGAN. Go to any browsers and type in GFPGAN. Then enter. Open this GitHub link. Scroll down and you can see an entrance. Here are many options. I usually use the first one cause it's quite easy. Here you can import your own images. This is a stock image I found on Pexels. It is only 640p and I will use it for instance. Next, choose version 1.4 as it has better quality. Then you can assign how many times you'd like to upscale. 4 times larger would be okay. And click Submit. The processing is really fast. Only within seconds and we can have the result. Look at the size. The original is just that big. And after upscaling, it becomes this large. And the details are also well kept and enhanced as well. You can right-click to save the image. The second tool is very much like the first one, but also quite powerful. Just like what we did. Search the name on any browsers and go to the GitHub link. Then enter the entrance. As you can see, the example image is an anime pictures. So this tool can also be used in anime photos. Now you want to import your photo here. Choose the version you want to use. And upscale it by 4 times. Next, here is a face enhance button, and it doesn't work for anime images or videos. But we are using a realistic photo, so tick it. Then click Submit. Similar to the first tool, this one also has good quality images. The next tool is WaifuXL. Go to the first link. The page is quite ACG style. It is mainly for enhancing anime photos. And it provides us with a compare line to see the difference. We can import our images or GIFs here. Choose the size we want to upscale. Then click Upscale and wait for the process. This tool has slower processing speed. It takes me around 5 minutes to see the result. Alright, now we have the result here. If you look closely, some details are a little bit anime style, but that's okay. The fourth tool is HitPaw Photo Enhancer. Different from the previous tools. It is a desktop software and combines 4 different AI tools together, which can handle most image cases. Here I have installed it on my desktop. We can import our own photos. On the right side are 4 AI models, and some of them have different customization features. As we are mainly testing the unblur faces function, we choose the face model. Let's try the sharp mode first. Next we can customize the target resolution. It supports up to 8 times larger. Then click Preview. Unlike the online tools can rely on online server, its processing speed depends on your hardware. My machine is Intel 5 11th generation CPU, and NVIDIA 1060 GPU. So I think most people could run it locally. Here is the result. The face gets sharpened and becomes clearer than before. And all the other details are also enhanced well. Now let's try the soft mode. The soft mode slightly retouch the face to make it look smoother, while also keeping the details. Giving you more choices. If you like, you can also try out other models and pick out a best result you like. Under the face model, there is also a colorize model. Considering you have a black and white photo, and you tick this model, the software will automatically colorize the photo and also upscale it. It provides a solution for restoring old family photos or some black and white images. One thing to mention is that the software isn't free. It is offering big discounts. So if you guys are interested to know more about it, check out the link in the description. The next tool is Bigjpg. We can import our images here. And you can choose the image type as artwork, which is more anime, or photo, which is more realistic. Free users can only upscale it by 4 times. If you want to upscale it to 8 times or even 16 times, you need to become a member to unlock it. There are also image quantity and speed limits for free users. I will use the free version to show you how it works. Here is also noise reduction option. Medium would be okay. After processing, we can download the image. The image is looking good, but if we can upscale it further by 8 times, it would be much better. The last tool is Runway. It has quite a lot of AI tools on its website. And this upscale image is what we want to use for now. You will need to sign up an account to use it. Let's skip it. Now we can import our own photos here. You can select the scale resolution. The tool isn't absolutely free. If you want to upscale it to 2K or 4K, it will ask you to pay for it. And there are also export limits for free users. So we choose 1080p and take a look. We can see slightly enhancements. The quality isn't bad, and if we can upscale it to higher resolution, it should be better. Alright, that's the share for today. Hope these 6 AI tools can help you unblur faces in your photos. So if you try some of them or you have other nice tools, let me know in the comments below. To know more about useful media tools and videos like this, you can check out my other videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you around.